Thank you for your interest in IMBeR, the Integrated Marine Biosphere Research Project, a global research initiative addressing ocean sustainability. IMBeR was born in 2006 as one of the global environmental change projects established by the International Geosphere-Biosphere Programme, IGBP. IGBP and its projects were designed to coordinate international research on global and regional scale interactions between the Earth's biological, chemical and physical processes and their interactions with human systems. IMBeR was also launched as a project under the Scientific Committee on Oceanic Research. IMBeR's original aim was to address the effects of global change on the ocean and investigate the most important biological and chemical aspects of the ocean's role in global change. In 2016, IMBeR launched a new science plan with the vision of ocean sustainability under global change for the benefit of society. And to reflect this new focus, IMBeR changed its name to the Integrated Marine Biosphere Research Project. When IGBP ended, its projects were transferred to Future Earth, which is now a joint sponsor of IMBeR. Over the course of this evolution, IMBeR has advanced understanding about potential marine environmental effects of global change and the impacts and linkages to human systems at multiple scales. IMBeR recognizes that complex environmental issues and associated societal and sustainability choices operate at and across the interfaces of natural and social sciences and the humanities and require both basic, curiosity-driven research and problem-driven, policy-relevant research. To help achieve sustainability, we need collaborative, disciplinary, interdisciplinary, transdisciplinary, and integrated research. This research needs to address key ocean science issues generated by and impacting society to provide evidence-based knowledge and guidance along with options for policymakers, managers, and marine-related communities. This underlies IMBeR's vision of ocean sustainability under global change for the benefit of society. IMBeR's research goal is to understand, quantify, and compare historic and present structure and functioning of linked ocean and human systems to predict and project changes, including developing scenarios and options for securing or transitioning towards ocean sustainability. IMBeR's science plan and implementation strategy provides a 10-year marine research agenda for IMBeR. The plan is developed around 3 grand challenges. The first grand challenge is understanding and quantifying the state and variability of marine ecosystems. Grand Challenge 2 is improving scenarios, predictions, and projections of future ocean human systems at multiple scales. Grand Challenge 3 is improving and achieving sustainable ocean governance. The grand challenges are also supplemented with innovation challenges that focus on new topics for IMBeR where research is needed and where it is believed that major achievements can be made within 3 to 5 years. These challenges focus on advancing understanding of ecological feedbacks in the Earth system, advancing and improving the use of social science data for ocean management, decision-making and policy development, interventions to change course of climate impacts, and sustainable management of blue carbon ecosystems. As IMBeR entered the second half of its 10-year science plan, 9 priority research areas were identified. Under Grand Challenge 1, these are evaluate and predict the cumulative effect of multiple stresses, integration of climate change and climate variability, impacts on society, preparation for a changed future. For Grand Challenge 2, development of integrated data systems and approaches for predictions and projections, development of predictive models and projections for use at regional scales, development of alternative scenarios to bridge the gap between physical climate sciences and humanities. And for Grand Challenge 3, develop knowledge on best practices for multi-level governance approaches to ocean climate adaptation and mitigation, develop understanding on key ingredients for transformation towards more sustainable, equitable and inclusive governance approaches to fisheries and aquaculture, and to support implementation of post-2020 biodiversity targets for marine spatial planning and marine protected areas. IMBeR is overseen by a scientific steering committee, which currently has 19 members from 15 countries. And the members are chosen so that their expertise matches the science plan, and challenge champions within the steering committee lead progress of IMBeR's grand and innovation challenges. The scientific steering committee is supported by 2 international project offices, one in Canada and the other in China. The majority of IMBeR science is carried out by its 4 regional programs: ClearTop, Climate Impacts on Oceanic Top Predators; ESAS, Ecosystem Studies of Subarctic and Arctic Seas; ICED, integrating climate and ecosystem dynamics in the Southern Ocean, and CYBER, sustained Indian Ocean biogeochemistry and ecosystem research. And by IMBeR's 4 working groups, the Continental Margins Working Group, Human Dimensions Working Group, Integrated Ocean Carbon Research Working Group, SOLAS IMBeR Ocean Acidification Working Group. IMBeR science is also carried out through endorsed projects, and IMBeR's Interdisciplinary Marine Early Career Network, IMBeRCAN, which was formally launched in 2019 to provide early career opportunities for collaboration, training, and leadership. IMBeRCAN currently has over 800 members from almost 90 countries. Through IMBeR's international project offices, regional programs, working groups, and its early career network, IMBeR holds a number of conferences, workshops, summer schools, early career days, and other capacity building activities. Some of IMBeR's major events include Future Oceans, which are IMBeR's open science conferences, IMBEZOs, which are a special type of conference with 3 separate but interacting workshops built around a single innovative theme, the IMBeR West Pacific Symposia, and CLAMECOs, which are IMBeR's Climate Ecosystem Summer Schools. Over the coming years, IMBeR will continue to deliver these events in addition to the conferences, workshops, summer schools, and other capacity building activities delivered by our regional programs, working groups, and early career network. For all events, IMBeR strives to promote diversity and inclusion and secures funding to support attendance of early career researchers and those from the Global South. This implementation is designed to have impact on policy and governance, changes in behavior, ocean literacy, and through building capacity. And IMBeR has produced over 1,500 publications, including special issues and policy briefs. For more information about IMBeR in general, about our science plan, or how to get involved, please visit our website and follow us on Twitter. Thank you.